Hey, welcome back to another unboxing video. Can you guess what it is? It's Christmas time. Something nice. It's PetroBox. And by the looks of it, this thing is kind of heavy. This is far most the heaviest PetroBox that I've ever received. So I'm assuming there should be some good things in here, as always. So, it's a monthly subscription. I believe it's, what, $40 a month. Automotive subscription, for the people that actually like tools and try out different types of products. So, that's pretty much what this is. So, let's open it up and see what we got. Now, I haven't opened this box yet, so I have the slightest idea what's in here. Usually I might open it up and take a little peek, but this time I didn't do it. Alright. Every box comes with a little paper telling you everything that's in it. Give you a description of the items that's in it. Alright. So what do we have here? Eagle Grit hand painter. Let's see what this stuff smells like. Not bad. I still use the orange stuff, but I'll try this out. Eagle Grit hand painter. Candy. Every box, they send some sort of candy. In this box, I have a broken candy cane. It is okay. It happens. A lower lifestyle hat. I'm gonna put this on, see how this fit. I like it. I'm actually gonna keep it on. What is this? A FRS? A Subaru? Subscriber rod of the month. Magnet. I got a couple of those on the refrigerator. I'm gonna add that to the collection. JaxWax Super Blue. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a dressing. A tire dressing. Cool. I actually needed some of this, some tire dressing. Now I don't have to buy none. I can try this out. Oh, see, so you can't smell it. JaxWax Super Blue tire dressing. I'm excited to try this out, see how it is. See how it is. The spray bottle to go with it. The nozzle. Black Ice air freshener. This is a very popular scent among the car world. Ah, this is sweet. Take this out the plastic. A 1-to-1 1-1-2 ornament. These are the same guys that make the wheel like the rim cup holsters, the wooden cup holsters, the wooden cup holsters. Oh, all right. Oh, this is really nice. I would put that on the tree, but unfortunately I don't have a tree up this year. Oh, okay. So you got the tire detail guards. This is real convenient for, if you're washing your car, so your tire, the hose doesn't get stuck under the tire, so you sit these by the rim, so you can, move the hose without a problem. The water hose or air hose or whatever type of hose that's on the ground around the car. So this is cool. Use this when I wash my car next time. I won't be doing it no time soon because it's like a -1 degrees outside. But when the summertime comes back, and that's it. So we got the wheel guards, the black ice air freshener, the PetroBox 2017 ornament, the Eagle Grit hand cleaner. So that, definitely for the cars that the guys that get their hands dirty, got some good cleaner. And last but not least, hold on, I almost forgot. This hat, Lord Lifestyle beanie. This thing is comfortable. I almost forgot I had it on my head. It's that comfortable. And then the Super Blue tire dressing. I want to open this up and see how this smells. Usually, a lot of things have scents now these days. Huh, what do you know? It smells just like how it looks. Like a blueberry. So I'll be excited to use to see how this holds up on the tires. Definitely going like winter time and stuff like that. That's everything. PetroBox. Check them out. I have a link down below in case you might want to sign up for one just to, try it out, see how you like it, save you some money. If you can, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Peace.